EXO, Raquel A. Piñalosa. First platoon leader, girls, Denise A. Romero. Second platoon leader, girls, Myla Bermejo. Mapping Company Commander, John Joseph C. Inciso. Mapping Company EXO, Chikari Abetria. First platoon leader, Joseph Olienda. Second platoon leader, Joy P. Binalimbing. School head, Rosemary R. Miranya. CTV Mapping Facilitator, RJ.A. Hobe. Majors Coordinator, Rosal B. Mabasa. DXNC DLC Coordinator, Ronnie G. Guerrera. Mervis C. Bormeo, Assistant CTV Facilitator. Melody Claveria, Assistant Majors Coordinator. Ranmil C. Rodriguez, DRRM Coordinator. MC number 15, Pinaglabanan National High School, Pinaglabanan, Goa, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 15, Pinaglabanan National High School from Goa, Camarines Sur. Entry number 16, Don Serviliano Platoon Memorial National High School, Santa Cruz, Tinambak, Camarines Sur.